Okay, so let's go for the next one. This is the static position. In static position, okay, elements are not actually moving. And coming to the absolute position, what is the output of absolute position is? In absolute position, we have two elements. One is the orange color element and one is the light blue color element. But the problem is two elements are available here, but one element overlapped on another element. One element overlapped on another element. Suppose, for example, I want to move the second element top left something. For example, I want to move the second element top 50 pixel and left also 50 pixel. Then we can able to observe the both elements in this tab. Why? Because of the second element, I'm trying to writing two more properties like top and left. Top and left, any one of the corner. So this corner is TL corner. TL corner is top left corner. So from top and left, I'm trying to moving my element 50 pixel. See, when I'm trying to moving this element, I automatically I can able to observe both elements are available. Can you see and observe? Can you see and observe? See, the first element is not moving. First element is not moving. Only second element, blue color element, I given some top and left value. So when I given top and left value, this is taking 50 pixel from top here, and this is also taking 50 pixel from left here. So from the body. So this is 50, and this is also 50. You got my point? So this element is moving. This element is moving relatively or according to the body. This element is moving. This element is actually not related to this element. Those are two stickers. Those are two stickers. This sticker is here. This sticker is here. I can able to move the sticker on top of the wallpaper anywhere you want to move. So this is an absolute position. Is it clear how absolute position is working? Or can I take one more element for your understanding purpose? I am taking one more element. Okay, so Control C, Control V. This is 3. Third element also I'm taking. Third element also I'm taking. For third element, I will write a property. Dot 3. Dot 3. I just want to give some background color for that. Okay, this time I'm giving the different color, something like already blue we are giving. So let me go with the blue violet. Now, a top value I'm giving 100 pixel, and left value I'm giving 100 pixel. See, top it take 100 pixel, left it will take 100 pixel. Top and left, I'm just trying to providing top and left. Now you can see and observe the third element also taken. But here you try to observe where 50-50 got applied, where 100-100 got applied. 50-50 got applied for this element. This is 50 and this is 50. From the body it is taken. 50 is going to be arranging from the body. This element is moving from left side, from top side, 50-50 pixel. But this blue violet object, blue violet element is moving from left side 100 and also taking from 100 from top side. 100 also from top side. See, the element movement position only from the corner. Remember it. The element movement position only from the corner. Please remember it. Is it clear? See, I can able to move my element from here to here also. The third element I can take here also. Or my third element I can take here also. Or my third element I can take here also. Then what property I need to write here? When I want to take the element here, I need to give the left and bottom. Left and bottom. If I want to take the element here, I want to take a right and bottom. Here I need to write two properties like right and bottom. Here if I want to take the element, then take a top and right value. Is it clear? Any confusion in this? Any confusion in this? In absolute position?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now let me go for the relative position, the third object, the third diagram. So here, yeah. So I need to take two elements. The first element is here. For example, this is my first element. Let me take first element here. Let me take my first element. Okay. For second element, these two are in relative position now. Relative position means the second element, the green color one, which is going to be taking top and left 50 pixel if I am trying to provide. It will start from here. Why? Because of every element, first element is taking position from here to here. Why? Because of there is no adjacent element for this. But this green color one already have one adjacent element beside. That was red one. So this will take position from left here and from top here, not from the body. Not from the body. So, got my point. So, for example, here this one is 50 pixel, and here also this one is 50 pixel. Okay. But the second element, for the second element, I am giving 100, 100. 100. 100 from where? Not from the body. 100 is basically taking from the 100 is basically taking from the adjacent element. 100 is taking from the adjacent element. Top, we have the red color element, right? So from the adjacent element, it is taking. That is the reason it is called actually relative position. Power gone, guys. So please wait for some time. Okay. So is it understandable? Hello, am I audible, guys?